Just when you thought our electric pallet trucks couldn't get any more convenient, we're pleased to introduce our electric pallet trucks with scale. The built-in digital scale weighs pallets on the spot for maximum efficiency in your warehouse or on your loading dock. Scales are powered by standard C-cell batteries and include an RS-232 port for serial printing. Scales are not legal for trade and weigh in 1/2 pound increments. These units come with all of the convenient standard features of our electric pallet trucks. An easy-to-operate throttle offers infinite forward and reverse speeds, while fingertip buttons allow operators to quickly and easily raise and lower the forks. A battery charger and battery level gauge are included standard. Safety features include a warning horn, safety belly reverse button, and emergency disconnect. The unit shown here features a 3,000 pound capacity with forks measuring 25 inches wide by 48 inches long. A 4,500 pound capacity unit is also available. For maximum efficiency in your workplace, contact us about getting your own electric pallet truck with scale. It's an ergonomic solution at work for you.